So on bigger stamps, it sometimes helps to use a bigger press. If you're using a 1-ton arbor press, it's okay for a small stamp, a 1-inch by 1-inch stamp. But if you've got a stamp that's about, 2.5 by 2.5 or 3 by 3 inches, you need about 6 times the force to get the same impression as with a 1-ton arbor press. So I like to use my 6-ton shop press for this. So again, the leather, veg tan leather, cased, so made wet and then allowed to dry till the surface returns approximately to its natural color. And then try and center this on this coaster on a good steel plate at the bottom. And then a steel plate that covers the entire stamp over top. You can use a bigger steel plate if you have a bigger stamp, and then slowly bring down the ram, and you can kind of see that it's giving an impression. Release the pressure. And that gives a nice impression on the coaster. So that's what I use a shop press for.